Have you ever wondered why people become interested in trading? Some people want financial freedom. Others want to challenge themselves and learn a new skill. For me, it started with curiosity. I saw videos of traders making money from their laptops and phones. At first, I thought trading was easy. I thought all you have to do was buy and sell and make money. But I quickly realized that trading is much harder than it looks. This is the story of how I started trading, the mistake I made, and the lesson I learned along the way in my trading career. My first experience was with binary option. I was attracted to it because it looked simple. You predict whatever the market will go up or down in the few minutes. If you are right, then you will make money. If you are wrong, then you will gonna lose your money. At first, I thought it was the perfect way to make money quickly. But after spending time with the market, I realized something important. The timer was my biggest enemy. Even if my analysis was correct, the market could move against me before the timer ended. I experienced win, but I also experienced many losses. Those losses taught me my first lesson. Trading is not a get rich quick scheme. Learning the hard way. Like many beginners, I made a lot of mistakes. I overtraded. I traded based on emotion. I wanted to recover losses immediately. Sometimes I entered trades without a clear plan. And every time I made emotional decision, the market punished me. There were days when I questioned myself. Should I quit? And I am even good enough for trading? But every losses become a lesson. Instead of giving up, I started studying more. I taking my trading seriously. I realized that if I wanted to become a successful trader, I had to treat trading like a profession. So I started learning the risk management, market structure, trends and momentum, patience and discipline, and controlling emotion. I spend hours watching videos, reading about the markets, and practicing. Some days I spent more time learning than actually trading. That's when I discovered that successful traders aren't gamblers. They are disciplined. They are disciplined decision makers. Eventually, I became more interested in forex trading. I liked that there was no short timer forcing me into decision. I could make the market more carefully. I could wait for high probability setups. I learned that not every day is a trading day. Sometimes the best trades is no trades at all. This changed my mindset completely. The biggest lesson I learned is that protect your capital. Patience is an advantage. Never trade based on emotion. Losses are part of the journey. The goal is isn't it to avoid losing. And lastly, the goal is to manage lose and stay in the game. My goal as a trader, I'm still learning, I'm still improving. I don't consider myself a master trader. But I have goals. I have to become consistently profitable. I want to master my emotion. I want to keep improving my skill every single day. And most importantly, I want to prove to myself that discipline and hard work can create success. In my conclusion, if you're starting your trading journey, remember this. Don't chase quickly money. Instead, protect your capital first. Be patient and never ever stop improving. Because in market, you need to adopt the market. Trading is one of the hardest skills to master. But once you master the skill that it will obtain, you will be unstoppable. The only things that you need to enhance your skill was that trading can teach should be discipline, patience, and self-control. This is the beginning of the journey, and I am excited to see where it takes to me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.